Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Today I'm here with a new recipe named onion and poppy seeds curry. This is one of the famous recipes of West Bengal and is quite easy to prepare too. You can have this onion and poppy seeds curry along with rice or chapati. Since this recipe contains very less amount of spices, it is very healthy as well. Now, let's see the ingredients required in this recipe. And they are 4 big onions which have been sliced, 1 spoon poppy seeds, 1 spoon chili powder, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder, 4 garlic buds, 1 big spoon mustard oil for frying the onions. Friends, I'll first roast the poppy seeds. Let's roast the poppy seeds. While roasting, please do ensure that poppy seeds do not get too brown. Roast it until it turns aromatic. So here I am roasting it continuously and preventing it from getting it too brown. Our poppy seeds have been roasted. I'll allow it to cool for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'll heat a pan. Now, in order to make poppy seeds paste, I'll add poppy seeds into the mixing jar. Along with the poppy seeds, I'll add few garlic buds and 2 spoons of water. Now I'll cover the mixing jar and we'll grind them together. On the other side, I have heated pan in which I'll pour the oil, mustard oil, in order to fry the chopped onions. Once the oil gets heated, I'll add chopped onion and fry it on low-medium flame. We need to fry onions until it turns golden brown. Now the onions have turned golden brown. You can see the very nice color of the onions. Now I'll add all these spices to it. After that, I'll add the paste of poppy seeds and mix it well into the pan. If required, we can use few water to mix all the ingredients well into the pan. Friends, it took me just 10 to 12 minutes for frying the onions. That is, onions gets golden brown only in 10 to 12 minutes. Friends, now it will simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. But before that, I'll add some salt to taste and cover the pan and allow it to simmer to get cooked well. After 2 to 3 minutes, friends, I'll check our dish once. You can see the onions have been softened. Now, friends, I'll add half cup of water to have some gravy. And again I'll cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Friends, it's been 2 to 3 minutes and the dish is perfectly ready to serve. Friends, you can see how delicious this looks. Wow, it is so appetizing, friends. I would request you to try it once at your home and also share your feedback with us. I hope, friends, you would like this recipe. Last but not the least, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.